Hi, I'm Mr. Jeremy from the Mr.Jeremy Show, and welcome to the show today. Have you ever seen that movie, The Birds? Well, I'm about to show you a lot of birds. You see these birds, buddy, you're gonna freak out. So anyway, let's go outside and see the birds. First, we'll go out my door here and kick this damn thing out of the way. As you can see, I've been working on the set of He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. So, look at this. Look at this crap. Gotta be very quiet because it's bright out here, isn't it? I need to turn down the contrast. Look at there, see? Oh, it's snowy and gloomy. I'm gonna scare them all off. So be careful. Look at that, look at that. Whoa, there they go. Oh man. They just took off. Damn them. Whoa, shit. Look at all them fucking birds. Damn. Okay, let's see if we can get some more shots of birds and snow. It's all my snow here. And look up there, let me turn that. Ooh, dim. You can see them all just kind of sitting there. Just kind of smirking, lurking, trying to attack me or something. This is neat. You can see them all on the telephone wire right there. You can see them all like right up there in that tree right there. Isn't that weird? It's kind of like all this snow just kind of brought them to it, you know? That's what it's kind of like. It's like all the snow just attracted them. Alright, well, we're going to go over here. Whoop, don't slip on the ice. God, look at all this crap. That's from all the birds, man. All the birds in my tree. This tree. They're up in the tree just numbing away at the little freaking berries right there. You see my feet right there standing looking at you. You see what happened to the dog pen. A lot of snow out here. Yep, 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 yep. I love filming snow. I love filming in the snow. Oh, it's dark. Oh, no, it's light now. I love filming in the snow because in the snow, okay, we gotta be very, very, very quiet here. There you go. Man, they just took off like a flock. But look out here. You can see them all just kind of sitting there looking at each other. It's kind of like that Windex commercial. It's all kind of like that Windex commercial. Yeah, one bird looking at the other bird going, "Hey Marty, hey, can we fly in this window?" That's a window. It's open, I mean, look at it. Oh, yeah, let's fly in that window right there. Look at this shit. All the fucking birds. All birds. All covered in birds. They're going, car, come get me. Ooh. I feel like when I step outside my house, I'm going to get attacked any minute now. Oh shit, I almost get them all off, but there they are. They're just kind of they're just kind of flocking together there. There we go. Zoop. They heard me. There they go. By the thousands. Ooh. Look at this shit. I could use this footage in my next movie. like Attack of the Killer Blackbirds. Gee whiz. Oh, the contrast. Oh yeah. So anyway, there you have it. That's what I'm filming out here. That's all done for. So until next time. See you later. See you later, YouTube. See you later. Okay, well, I'm back in the apartment now. Out there while I was filming, there sounded like a bunch of kids laughing or something, like they were laughing. And so I thought maybe they were laughing at me filming or something, but they're out there just laughing, whatever. So I didn't do as much out in the snow as I wanted to, but who knows? I still got tomorrow and the next day. If it doesn't melt all by tomorrow, then I'll do some more stuff in the snow. And and maybe you'll see some of my Thundercat movies in the snow. So, okay, well, there you have it. This is Mr. Jeremy from the Mr. Jeremy Show saying, so long, everybody, and good luck. My teeth don't look any whiter.